Fox 5 health news, and will the vaccines protect against emerging COVID strains that we've been talking so much about? New studies are looking for answers.
All right, joining us now, Dr. Parikh, Clinical Assistant Professor of Infectious Diseases and Immunology at NYU Langone. We have seen a number of those new strains, and so far the data has seemed to be that the vaccine would still work, but we continue to see new strains. What's the latest info on that?
Right. So a recent study out of Rockefeller University did test the blood of vaccinated people from both Moderna and Pfizer. And the good news is their blood showed it could still neutralize the virus or fight the virus. But however, there are some studies coming now out of South Africa that haven't been peer-reviewed yet, but that show that the immune response might not be as good, But again, that doesn't mean you should stop getting the vaccine, because even if you do get sick, the vaccine will make it much less severe, so less likely you'll be hospitalized or worse. But eventually, the vaccines may have to be updated if the strains become resistant to them.
Without a doubt. Tell us about this. Okay, so for the people who are fortunate enough to already get the vaccine, can they start getting back to normal life just yet? The mask thing, the distancing thing, what's the advice?
Right. So the short answer is no. Ideally, we need majority of the population to have taken the vaccine and be immune, So at least 75 to 85%. And as we had discussed last week, the vaccine doesn't kick in right away. It's a good, 6 weeks from start to finish, because the immunity is still building between doses, and then even for a week or two after the second dose. So you still have to keep masking, keep distancing, especially with this new strain on the horizon. So absolutely. And also, I also hear, if I've had COVID, can I skip the vaccine? No, because we know that the immunity is actually better with the vaccine and lasts longer.
Gotcha. All right.
Thank you so much.
Parikh, makes sense. All right. Thank you. Well, a college student from our area who suffered a stroke